So, if you've been looking for a way to start a profitable and a legitimate online business for free without paying any shishi, then it's important you stick with me on this video. I'm going to be showing you how you can start affiliate marketing for free without paying 62,000 or 30,000 or 10,000 naira for you to start. You can literally start your affiliate marketing journey right after watching this video, and all you're going to be needing is just your smartphone, data connection, and what I'm going to be showing you on this video. It's important to like this video and follow me, because on this page I'm going to be sharing tips and strategies on how you can start a profitable online business for free. So come with me, let me show you how to start your affiliate marketing business right now. Alright guys, come with me as I show you how you're going to be making 100,000 to 500,000, at least 100,000 every month using just your smartphone. I've done this over and over and over and again. I'm going to be showing you how you can do it as well on this video. So it's important to stick with me on this video to the end, because I'm going to be giving you a secret and a bonus tip to help you do this easily. So first of all, you want to go to your browser. I want to go on your search. I want to type staycut.com. Then when it opens up, you see you can do this from any part of the world. It says take affiliate orders in dollars and major African currencies. As you can see, this business pays you in dollars, and you can do this from any part of the world, both in Africa, Europe, Asia, USA, and wherever you are watching this video from right now. So what you want to do right now is to click on claim free account, and you're going to put your first name, your last name, and your email. Put your password. So after you put in your name, email, and preferred password, you click on sign up with email, and they are going to send you an email verification to your inbox, where they are going to show you where you're going to get a code you're going to be imputing. So I'm going to go to my email right now to check for the code. Now I just got to my email, and here is the email verification. So I'm going to open that, and here's the code. I'm going to copy that to my clipboard. I'm going to copy that to my clipboard, and I'm going to go back to StayCut, and I'm going to impute it right there. After doing that, you click on verify. Now after doing that, you're going to be sent a verification email. Let me go back to my email and check for the verification email, for a welcome email instead. As you can see, it says, wow Matthew, you made it. So this is the message they've sent to me. So I'm going to go back, and I'm going to log in with my email address I use in creating it, and my password. So as you can see right now, I'm logged into my account. It said good afternoon Matthew. As you can see up here, it said please update your profile before you continue. Update here. So you want to update your account. So on your profile, you want to edit your phone number, you want to add your country, and you want to edit your bank account. You want to put in your bank account you'll be using to receive your money. So on here you put in your country. So I'm going to choose my country, Nigeria, and I'm going to update that. And I'm going to come down here, and I'm going to input my bank account. As you can see on here, there are lots of bank accounts all over the world. That's why I said you can do this from any part of the world. There are lots of different bank accounts you can put in on here. So you want to put in your bank account as well, so use it to receive your money once you've made money from your affiliate sales. And if you scroll down, you come on here, you're going to see different courses you can promote on here. They have over 80 to 90 products you can promote. You can choose from anyone that is easy for you to promote, and need I tell you that you get paid in dollars as well. Now you want to come to the top left hand side, these three lines there. You want to click on that, and you want to go to marketplace, and on this marketplace you're going to see lots of products, different kind of digital products you can promote, and you get a commission for anyone you make sales on. For instance, let's say for instance this Amazon KDP for smartphone. Click on promote right here, and it's going to open up, and you're going to see this one is actually $33.33, and you get 50% commission for every sales you make. And you see right here you have your affiliate link, which we copy, and you go and use the link to promote, and when anyone buys through your link you get a commission. Now let's calculate this $33. Now you get paid $33 for every product you sell, and you get a commission of 50% of the $3. And if you multiply the $3, let's say I'm doing this video from Nigeria, so let me use the conversion rate from Nigeria times. I think dollar, the time of doing this video, $1 to naira is about 720 naira, and that's 23,997. So if you divide that by 2, which is 50%, that means you'll be getting approximately 12,000 naira per product you sell. That's what you'll be getting as commission for every product you sell. So imagine you sell 10 of these 12,000 naira products. in a month. That's 120,000 naira. That's what you'll be getting in a month. So you see why I say you can make $100,000 to $500,000 monthly. Of course, you can make up to 10 sales every single month promoting any product of your choice on this marketplace or StayCut. I know, and StayCut is not going to ask you to pay any money to join their platform. They are not going to ask you, unlike all these other affiliate marketing platforms that will ask you for 62,000 or 30,000 naira or 20,000 naira for them to teach you or to help you start your affiliate marketing business. There are lots of products on here you can promote, over 80 to 90 products you can promote. Now you want to ask me, but Matthew, how do I promote this product? Where do I promote this product? Now, after you've come here and you've chosen the product you want to promote on here, let's say you've chosen to promote this Amazon KDP for smartphone product, and you click on promote and you come on here and you copy your unique link. I would advise you to go to a site called rebrandly.com, and you want to shorten the link, make it look more professional. And after that, you might want to go on you can promote your link on YouTube. Go on YouTube. I'm actually a fan of WWE, that's why you're seeing that, but you can make videos surrounding the products you've chosen as well. You can also go to WhatsApp and you talk about it on your status, and your friends or people who are interested we want to purchase the product you're selling, whatever product you're selling. You can as well go on Instagram as well. You can also talk about it on your TikTok as well. You can also talk about it on Facebook, on your Facebook page as well. I decided to try out the tips and the strategies I taught on this video, and voila, I made $18.37 for myself. This shows that this works and you can do this as well. All you have to do is get started immediately after you finish watching this video. I just requested for the payout for this particular $18.37. All I just did was click on request payout, and as you see at the top side, it said your request has been received. We will send your payout next Monday. And because you stayed to the point of this video, I'm going to be giving you a bonus tip that is going to help you to understand how affiliate marketing works and how you can do this business so you can start raking in lots of money online for yourself. When you go on the menu right there at the top right hand side, you scroll down, you're going to see StayCut University, and on here you're going to see lots of videos. On here you're going to see lots of videos that's going to teach you on how to do different things that can help you promote your product. Like this one say how to set up your lead funnel, how to create a perfect lead magnet, how to write your affiliate promo swipes, how to write full promo copy, and so on and so forth. You want to watch this video so you can gain more understanding. If by any chance you don't like selling, you don't like talking or showing your face, but you want to still earn money online, then you should rush to my pinned post. Check my pinned post out or connect with me on WhatsApp. Yeah, I'll show you how you can earn in dollars even without showing your face or even promoting any product or persuading anybody to buy anything. And you might want to save this video for later, and if you have any question, comment any question you have in the comment section. And I want to know where you're watching this video from, because this particular site also I just shared with you can work for you from any part of the country that you are.